You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is f smaller than -7/3 smaller than -21/3. Let's solve it step by step. Cancel out the negatives. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the f. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/6. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is f smaller than -7/3 smaller than -21/3.